So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to send stickers on WhatsApp business. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp business app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your WhatsApp business, and to send a sticker you should have to tap on a chat like this. Then you can see the option or icon of stickers which is available on the lower corner of left side. So tap on it. Now see, you will find different varieties of stickers here. So I am just tapping here, it will be sent automatically. See, like this. See, I have successfully sent stickers on WhatsApp business, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.